So one of the most important for the meditation is we need to build the habit of meditation. Why? Because everything what we do in our life at the beginning, we feel very exciting. And then after some time, we lost interest. Special is some kind of like learning or some kind of like transforming stuff. So it will not kind of like cannot carry too long. Why? Because there's a force of habit. So normally what we have this intellectual stuff. Wow, idea, very nice. When I was young, I loved meditation. But when I practice meditation, I feel nice. So there's a heart involved, there's a feeling. Wow, great. But then I cannot meditate regularly, because then I don't have habit. So I meditate for 5 days, then I cannot meditate for 2-3 weeks. Oh, I meditate again. Panic comes, then I meditate again. So, how to deal with this force of the habit? To change this force of habit, you need to build a new habit. So, in order to build new habit, we have to do step by step. At the beginning, you cannot do too much. You just do a little bit, but then we need time, like at least 20 to 30 days. Let's say if you want to meditate, maybe 30 minutes per day. But first, don't meditate 30 minutes, maybe just 15 minutes. If you want to meditate 1 hour, maybe first just 30 minutes or 20 minutes. And try, and the time is only just 1 month. Don't think that forever. And try that every day.